Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post on Pinterest. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Pinterest on a device and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Here, tap the add icon and tap pin. Now select a picture or video you want to upload and tap next. It is now time to fill in the details. Add a title to your picture and enter the description. Next, link the image to a website. It can be a blog post, your business website, or any site you want. You can also add alt text. Here, describe the picture so that people can use screen readers to hear how the picture looks. When done, tap Next. You can now save this image to your board. And that's how you post on Pinterest. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.